So we go to screen GUI. All right, do you see this thing here? Inside screen GUI, we're gonna go add a frame, and let's drag and drop the frame in the center, rename the frame to shop. Now scale it the way you like it. I'm gonna scale it in the center, keep it in the center, scale it pretty much big. I think this looks just fine. And then we'll try to add the background color. So to this frame, I'm gonna go add a background color. Let's say the background color is gonna be green. No need to change any other settings from there. Add a text button, and let's make it square. Let's make it small and square, which will help us to close the shop. And I'm going to add a background color to this tiny text button, background color of red. Go add a text inside it with a font family. Let's pick Fredoka 1, rich text. The text itself going to be X. Color of the text is going to be white, and text scaled. Awesome. Now I'll be having a heading. I'll add a text label, bring it in center, and rename the text label as heading. And let's scale it bigger. It should be big enough, just to tell that people that you open shop right now. So I'm going to stretch it, rename it as, yeah, just heading, and now change the text for this. So I'm going to scroll down to the place, change the font family, and let's keep it this, rich text, text color, white, and shop. And I'm going to come down and make it text scaled. We need to take out the background transparency for the heading because the text is also white. So there we go. Cool. Now, very important thing, which goes inside the shop. Make sure that you rename this X button, close button. So I'm going to F2 here, press F2 there, and right here, close button. Good. We created the shop, looks good. Now it's time we need to add items. We need to add things we need to sell. So we need to list them in a proper way. Very simple, very easy. You need to click on the plus sign, add an image button, not image label. Add image button. Keep it over here. Let's keep it aligned the way you like it. Stretch it across. We'll add the pictures in it later. Just for now, design it well. You got the image. Also, go to shop and add an image text label. Drag it across just at bottom of this thing. Align it in the center. There we go. Well, the label doesn't look really good. So for example, I'm going to make this background go transparent. And I'll change the text color to white. Change the font family to Fredoka 1, rich text, text scaled. And let's say we are trying to sell something, not label. We are trying to sell, let's say we're trying to sell a gun for $100. Or we are trying to sell a rose or a bat or any kind of tool for some amount. Cool. Do you see how it looks? Now, you don't need to worry about adding more of them. What you can simply do is right-click over here, duplicate, move it to the right. A little bit more. Right-click over here, duplicate, move it to the right. Easy. Make sure it's in center. Right-click, duplicate, move it to the right. Wait, I just need to put it in the right portion. Duplicate, move this thing to the right. Do the same step for all of them. So once you do that thing, things are getting in the right way. You don't need to worry about adding the images again, the labels again, and kind of easy. Good. So that's how you're going to create the shop. So far, so good. Eric and Fitter.